On your iPhone, Sign Out Apple ID is disabled and you cannot sign out because it's grayed out from settings. I am Max. Let's fix the issue. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to Screen Time option. Again, scroll to Last option. Turn off app and website activity. Enter your screen time passcode. If you forget it, then reset the screen time passcode or change it. Follow the separate video given in this video description. Now, tap on Turn off app and website activity confirmation pop-up option. Ensure that all limited and downtime settings will be turned off. Also, turn off screen time passcode for your device. Under the Change Screen Time Passcode, select Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your screen time passcode you set for the screen time. And that's it. Go back and check under the Apple ID settings. The Sign Out option is now enabled. And we can sign out Apple ID from the device. If it still shows disabled and grayed out, then force close the Settings app and try again after rebooting your iPhone. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.